Welcome to Learn English with Phonics Course. This course presents you with an in-depth study plan laid out in a systematic order. Learning English is an ongoing process, and it totally depends on your motivation and dedication. The course allows you to master the skills at your specified time. At the end of this course, you will be fluent in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Remember, there is no shortcut or replacement to hard work. So let's begin our journey of learning. The English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Unlike some other languages, in English, each letter is written in two forms, either a capital form or a small form. In the slides to come, we will learn how to name the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Consonants and vowels. There are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Consonants form no words if left alone. The 5 vowels act as a bridge between consonants to form words. Do you remember the join the dots game? This is the perfect way to learn the alphabetic order. It is important that when you learn the 26 letters, you learn them in the alphabetic order. The letters marked in blue are the consonants, and the letters marked in red are the vowels. Let's repeat our consonants and vowels one more time. First, the consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now the vowels: A, E, I, O, U, Importance of vowels. The two consonants B and G do not form any word if left alone. Vowels act as a bridge between consonants to form words. Let's see this in more detail. Placing the vowel A between the consonants B and G forms the word bag. Replacing it with E forms the word beg. Replacing E with I forms the word big. Replacing I with O forms the word bog. And replacing O with U forms the word bug. When two consonants B and G were left alone, they did not form any word. However, when we put the vowels A, E, I, O, and U in between these consonants, we formed the words bag, beg, big, bog, and bug, respectively. In another example, when we take the consonants P and T, we do not form any word. However, placing the vowels A, E, I, O, and U between these consonants, we can form the words pat, pet, pit, pot, and put, respectively. These words are known as consonant-vowel-consonant words. They are the basis for forming the three-letter rhyming words which we will be studying shortly. Words such as bat, fed, pig, cob, sun, etc. In this lesson, we learned the study plan, the alphabet, capital letters, small letters, naming the letters, and the alphabetic order. We also learned about consonants and vowels. There are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Importance of vowels. Formation of CVC words. In Lesson 2, we will learn to read and write the English capital letters.